Welcome to the Tabular Input tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS dev team. This tutorial will walk you through how to input data in tabular view. If you have historical data that was collected before you began VGS, you will want to input it into VGS in tabular view so all data, field and historical, can be compared in summary reports. Let's see how it's done.
To input data in tabular or office mode, you will need to open a site and select the Log tab. Under the Log tab in the site window, select New. The Create Forms and Events window will open. Choose the correct protocol, then Create Forms. Select the event, then select Edit. This will open the Field Input view, unless the protocol's form type is set in Office mode, which automatically opens the event in Tabular Input view. To begin editing the event data in Tabular Input, click the Tabular View button. The tabular window will open in front of the Field Input view. In this window, you can manually add information for each of the events, such as dry weight rank, point ground cover, frequency, and fetch.
When entering a plant species, they can be searched for by clicking on the arrow to open the Select Species window. In this window, you can search species by code, common name, and species name. Once you know the code for the species, you can type the code in rather than having to use the drop-down menu every time. When viewing a species in the species category column, you will have to view the code. If entering a category such as ground cover, again click the drop-down menu and search for the item by abbreviation or name in the Select Item window. Unlike the species input, you will have to use the drop-down menu every time to enter the item into the species category column. You will also need to add the transect number and sample number for every row entry. Each event frame size can also be adjusted if more room is needed during data input.
If needed, you can also export data as a CSV or Excel spreadsheet by selecting the Export drop-down button. If you don't want to save any of the edits, select Cancel. Don't forget to save before you close the Tabular View window. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.